It's my first Avondale event. This one was very well done. We were really impressed with how much time we got behind the car.
My favorite car that I drove on the track today was a Hybrid T.
Today was probably the 911. I've been looking at replacing our old 911. It was a good chance for me to really see what the car could do. When I think about Avondale, inviting us to events like this makes it more than just us buying a car from them. It becomes a complete ownership experience.
It's always nice to feel like us as a customer are appreciated. It makes me want to come back to your dealership.